Congratulations, and welcome to the Googlz Cash Loophole livestream. You're here with me today, and that's because you've secretly been chosen to grab your share of money that's being distributed to people like you, thanks to Google. And if you stick with me through this short live briefing, there's a real chance you'll walk away today with an automated system that pays you $67 over and over and at least a few $1,000s per month every month, with zero hard work required. And real quick, check this out. I made a total of $25,976 in less than 24 hours. You might think I had to work hard for this money, right? Wrong. All I had to do to make this money was to use Google on my mobile phone. Every time I used one of the various Google services, I got paid $67 in cold, hard cash. I know $67 may not seem like a lot, but it quickly adds up into a generous amount of income. And remember, I had to do barely any work to make this money. I got paid for something I already was doing on a daily basis, which is using one of the many different Google apps and services on my phone. And yes, this does include the mighty YouTube, which is owned by Google. Now I know this might all seem far-fetched, but let's just assume for a moment it really is possible. Would you like to start doing the same? Would you like to receive $67 every time you used Google? Something I guarantee you do multiple times a day already. If you answered yes, then let me show you exactly how it's done. You see, after months of research, we uncovered a little-known $2.5 billion AI loophole inside one of the largest companies in the world, Google. Thanks to artificial intelligence and brand-new technology called Google Gemini AI, we figured out how to exploit Google and receive $67 payments over and over again every time we used one of their services. It's a brand new opportunity that's proven to work, as all 12 stone-cold newbie beta testers have made money within 24 hours. To date, a whopping $1.5 million in profit has already been generated with this brand new system thanks to Google Gemini AI. The best part is, this doesn't cost us anything. It's all pure profit. So every penny we make, we get to keep. And all of this has been made possible by our new app called Googlz Cash Loophole. The brand new Googlz Cash Loophole lets us cash in on the AI 2.5 trillion loophole found inside of Google Gemini's servers that pays us $67 every time we use Google AI.
Glenn, thank you. I never thought I could do this, but the Googlz Cash Loophole brings me about $500 a day. This has made my life much easier.
Glenn, I appreciate you. The Googlz Cash Loophole makes me around $200 a day, and now I can finally take the grandchildren to Florida.
Glenn, appreciate you, man. Googlz Cash Loophole started small, but now I'm hitting around $2,000 per day.
Glenn, thank you. The Googlz Cash Loophole brings me about $500 a day, and I finally stopped worrying about money.
With this system, there are no hassles, no paid ads, no email marketing, no list building, no headaches, no nonsense. All we have to do is fire up the app to get paid, and all it takes is 3 simple steps. Step 1. Access Googlz Cash Loophole. Click any button on this page to get a copy. Hurry, there is limited availability. Step 2. Turn on the paid-to-use Google technology inside the Googlz Cash Loophole dashboard. It takes less than 60 seconds. And Step 3. Use one of your favorite Google apps, websites inside of Google Gemini AI, which you already have on your mobile phone or computer. We are getting paid $67 every time we use Google with this Gemini AI loophole. And if you're wondering what type of apps or services you could use from Google, the list is endless. This includes Gmail, Google Search, Google Chrome, Google Maps, Google Docs, and even YouTube. Yes, that's right, because YouTube is owned by Google, you can make money when you use it. The more we use a Google service, the more profits we make. And everything is done inside of Google Gemini AI. Trust me, you'll have this app already, and it's 100% free. Remember, you don't need to buy any expensive tools, no domains, no hosting, no autoresponders, no tracking software, no paying for traffic, none of those expensive headaches. As long as we are using a site, app, or platform owned by Google with AI, we are getting paid. And here's a few members that are crushing it with this system right now. Here's Tony, who's made $7,500 since joining. We've got Sarah, who's made a little over $9,000, and we've got Kevin, who's made a whopping $18,000 with this brand new system. And you, my friend, are next in line for similar or even better results. But you might be wondering, how much will Googlz Cash Loophole cost me? Well, it cost us $25,325.96 to develop, so it would be reasonable to charge $497 monthly. Isn't that a small price for a system that can pay you for using Google? However, we understand. Maybe you've been burned by other opportunities before, and we know you've worked hard this year. So for a limited time only, we will be slashing the monthly price to a low one-time investment that's the same price tag as a cup of coffee at your local Starbucks. In addition to all this, you'll receive thousands of dollars in fast action bonuses if you pick up a copy of Googlz Cash Loophole right now. But you don't have time to wait. If we let everyone use this extremely powerful new system, it could become saturated, and we'd hate for that to happen. So to guarantee that it continues working, we can only allow so many customers, which means we will be closing our doors at any moment. If you don't act now, you could forever miss out on getting access to a system and software that will change your life. You could miss out on joining the thousands of other Googlz Cash Loophole members who are getting paid to use Google right now. Don't want to feel the pain of missing out? Then the best thing for you to do right now is to pick up your copy right now. But it gets even better. If you're one of the first 100 people to buy Googlz Cash Loophole, you'll get access to our Triple Earnings exclusive edition. Our average user tripled their profits with this. Oh, and there's a 365-day money-back guarantee. So if you feel for any reason this wasn't worth your money, we'll refund every penny back to you. On top of that, we'll even throw in $500 as a good measure for wasting your time. So what are you waiting for? You have no risk. Click the button below to get Googlz Cash Loophole and all of the exclusive bonuses at the lowest price right now today. I look forward to seeing you on the inside and making a ton of money together. Hurry up and sign up before somebody steals your money-making system.
Glenn, thank you for the Googlz Cash Loophole. I'm retired, living carefully, and now I make about $250 a day.
Glenn, I'm so grateful. The Cash Loophole is making me about $320 a day, and my bills are finally under control.
Glenn, thanks for the Google Cash Loophole. I'm averaging $2,600 a day now. After years of stress, finally something that works.